Okay, cool. Hey guys. So, this is now going to be the second part of the Creator and Client series, where we are going to do the version 2 or the next server clients. So let me just make the folder here, and we can start it soon. Cool. Okay, so this is the version 2 controller. And if you guys remember last time, we had the server that we created and the client. So we are going to now get onto the second server client. So we'll start with importing our libraries. So for this one, we'll need OS, sys, and sockets. And then we will create the socket. And yeah, again guys, all of this will be on GitHub once I'm done. The first version is there currently, so you can get it if you need. So we'll set our host address here, which we're going to keep the same as we did in version 1. Set our port to 8080, and then S is equal to socket, just for so we can write everything quicker. So we'll go accept. Socket error of a message, and we want it to print so this will bind our sockets and basically keep the port open for our server. So the s.bind will bind our host and our port, and then we'll set the listener to callback, or to expect callbacks every 5. Then this will be, if it fails, it's going to repeat the function. Accept socket error of message to So essentially we just wanted to run the socket find again. If it fails, then we will handle the connection. So we want to find sockets search. So this will send our commands to the connection, and it will close, not the connection, just function, so that everything can be sanitized. Now we need to define the send commands of con. And this will create a cycle for our input. So if it's the exit command, the connection will close, the socket will close, and the system will exit. So if our command is bigger than 0, which means as long as nothing has been, no empty command has been passed, then it will send our connection. It will encode the command, and then on the client, we need a response to come through as a string connection received, and we are going to use a buffer of 4096 and encoding our TF8. So if this does look different from the last server, it's supposed to, guys. Again, I'm just showing you two different methods of coding a server in Python 3 and coding an a client in C++. The reason I'm doing it in C++ and Python is that it's not just client and server in Python, client and server in C++. So you guys can see that C++ and Python can work together quite well. So now we just need to define our main function, which is main functions dot program essentially. So we need to define main as socket create, socket bind, and socket accept. And then finally we'll just need to execute the main function when it starts. Cool, and that is our server, the version 2 server in Python 3. Yeah, and then next time I will go over so in the part 2 of the second set, I will be going over creating the client, and in the third one, we will build and test our clients and server. But yeah, so that's it for part 1, guys. I hope you are enjoying the series. If you are, leave a like, a comment, let me know it. If there's anything else you want to see, just drop a message either on YouTube or through Discord. But thanks, guys. This is Silence, and I'm out.